Hey there, awesome parents and curious kids. Have you ever wondered how your child can use AI to learn, create, and have fun, all at the same time? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 10 AI tools for kids in 2025 that are not only fun and safe, but also super educational. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's explore the exciting world of AI for kids. Coming in at number 1, we have Curipod. Imagine just telling the computer what you want on your slides and bam, it just appears. No more typing for ages or searching for the perfect picture. Just use your voice and Curipod does the rest. It's like magic, but even cooler because it's AI. My little sister Emma loves using Curipod to make presentations about her favorite animals. She even made one about dinosaurs last week, and it was roarsome. So, if you want to make learning fun and unleash your inner tech wizard, give Curipod a try. Next up, we have something super cool for all you gamers out there. Scratch plus machine learning. Imagine building a game where you control a spaceship just by moving your head or making funny faces. That's what Scratch plus machine learning lets you do. It's like having superpowers, but instead of flying, you're creating amazing games. You just drag and drop blocks of code like building with digital Legos. I built a game where you have to make silly faces to help a cute little monster escape a maze. It's hilarious to play with friends, and it's even more fun because I made it myself. So if you're ready to unleash your inner game developer, check out Scratch plus machine learning. Have you ever wished you could teach a computer to do something cool? Well, now you can with Google's Teachable Machine. You can teach it to identify different types of flowers, your favorite toys, or even your pet hamster. All you need is a webcam, a microphone, or some pictures, and you're good to go. Just show Teachable Machine some examples of what you want it to learn, and it will figure out the rest. I used Teachable Machine to teach my computer to recognize different types of fruit. Now when I hold up an apple, it says apple, and when I hold up a banana, it says banana. It's so cool. So put on your scientist hat, grab your imagination, and get ready to teach your computer some amazing tricks with Google's Teachable Machine. Ever wished you had a super smart friend who could answer any question and help you write amazing stories? Imagine having a buddy who was always there to help you learn new things and make your ideas come to life. Well, meet ChatGPT for kids. This incredible tool is designed to be your ultimate learning companion. It's like having a walking, talking encyclopedia right at your fingertips, but way more fun. You can explore endless topics and satisfy your curiosity. With ChatGPT, you can ask it anything. From science facts to historical events, it has the answers. Want to know the capital of France? Ask away. Or maybe you're curious about the tallest mountain in the world. Need help coming up with ideas for your next school project? ChatGPT to the rescue. It can help you brainstorm and organize your thoughts. It can even help you write different kinds of creative content like poems, code, scripts, and more. Musical pieces, emails, and even stories that capture your imagination. Letters and more. The possibilities are endless with ChatGPT. Imagine writing a story about a magical unicorn, and ChatGPT helps you come up with the most amazing adventures. Your creativity will soar, and ChatGPT helps you come up with the most amazing adventures. Your creativity will soar. I love using ChatGPT to help me with my homework, especially when I'm stuck on a tricky question. It makes learning so much easier, especially when I'm stuck on a tricky question. It's like having a personal tutor who is always ready to help. It's like having a secret study buddy who always knows the answer. You can feel confident tackling any subject. So get ready to unleash your inner Einstein and explore a world of knowledge and creativity with ChatGPT for kids. The adventure of learning awaits you. And explore a world of knowledge and creativity with ChatGPT for kids. The adventure of learning awaits you. Calling all future tech geniuses. Get ready to dive into the world of coding and AI with Cognimates, an awesome tool developed by the brainy folks at MIT. Cognimates lets you build and train your own AI models. Imagine creating a chatbot that can chat with your friends, or teaching your computer to recognize different types of birds. With Cognimates, the possibilities are endless. Plus, it uses a really cool drag-and-drop programming language, so you don't need to be a coding whiz to get started. It's like building with digital blocks, but instead of building a castle, you're building the future of AI. I used Cognimates to create an AI that can recognize different types of dinosaurs. It's still learning, but it's already pretty good at telling a T-Rex from a Triceratops. So, if you're ready to put on your inventor hat and explore the amazing world of AI, Cognimates is the perfect tool for you. Do you love listening to stories? What about creating your own? Well, get ready to unleash your inner storyteller with Storytailor AI, an awesome tool that lets you create interactive stories with the help of artificial intelligence. Imagine you're writing a story about a brave knight who has to rescue a princess from a dragon, but instead of just writing the story, you get to choose what happens next. Do you want the knight to fight the dragon or find a clever way to outsmart it? With Storytailor AI, you get to make all the important decisions. I used Storytailor AI to create a story about a group of friends who travel to a magical island. It was so much fun choosing what happened next and watching my story come to life, so if you're ready to let your imagination run wild, give Storytailor AI a try. Who says learning can't be fun? With the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, you can turn every learning session into an exciting adventure. This innovative kit allows you to have a blast while boosting your math, logic, and spatial thinking skills, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Imagine combining the joy of hands-on puzzles with the smart capabilities of AI. The Osmo Genius Starter Kit is designed to create a truly interactive and engaging learning experience. It uses AI-powered recognition to bring your creations to life, making learning both fun and effective. Imagine building a tower with colorful blocks and having the Osmo system instantly recognize your creation and give you feedback. It's like having a personal tutor right at your fingertips, or solving math problems by physically moving number tiles around. This hands-on approach makes abstract concepts more tangible and easier to understand. With Osmo, learning becomes an adventure. Each game and activity is designed to challenge and entertain, making education something to look forward to. Plus, the Osmo Genius Starter Kit comes with a variety of games and activities, so there's something for everyone. Whether you're into math, spelling, or creative problem solving, Osmo has got you covered. I love playing the Tangram game, where you have to arrange colorful shapes to match the puzzles on the screen. It's a fantastic way to improve spatial reasoning and have a great time. It's a great way to improve my spatial reasoning skills and have fun at the same time. The sense of accomplishment you get from solving a challenging puzzle is unbeatable. So if you're looking for a fun and educational way to give your brain a workout, the Osmo Genius Starter Kit with AI is the perfect choice. It's not just a learning tool, it's a gateway to endless possibilities and a brighter future. Calling all teenagers who love adventure and fantasy, get ready to enter a world of endless possibilities with AI Dungeon, a super cool platform that uses AI to generate stories in real time based on your choices. Imagine you're a brave warrior exploring a mysterious dungeon. Do you go left or right? With AI Dungeon, every decision you make shapes the course of your adventure. It's like having a personal dungeon master who's always ready to take your adventure to the next level. I recently used AI Dungeon to create a story about a group of space explorers who discover a new planet. So if you're ready to embark on an epic adventure, check out AI Dungeon. Reading is super important, but sometimes it can be a little tricky. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, it can be challenging to find the right resources and support. That's where Ello AI Reading Coach comes in. This innovative tool is designed to make reading practice both effective and enjoyable. This awesome tool uses AI to help you improve your reading skills in a fun and engaging way. It's like having a personal tutor available anytime you need it. Imagine having a friendly robot tutor who listens to you read and gives you helpful feedback. It's like having a reading buddy who's always there to support you. That's exactly what Ello does. It's designed to be your reading companion, guiding you through each step of your reading journey. It listens to your pronunciation, fluency, and comprehension, and provides personalized tips and suggestions to help you become a better reader. The feedback is tailored to your individual needs, making it easier to see improvement. Ello also comes with a huge library of books and stories, so you can find something you're interested in and practice your reading skills at your own pace. Whether you love adventure stories, fairy tales, or science fiction, there's something for everyone. Plus, it tracks your progress and celebrates your achievements, which makes learning to read even more rewarding. Seeing your progress can be a huge motivation to keep going. I used to struggle with reading aloud in class, but after using Ello for a while, I feel much more confident. It's amazing how much difference the right support can make. So, if you're looking for a fun and effective way to improve your reading skills, give Ello AI Reading Coach a try. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to become a better reader. Have you ever wished you could draw anything you could imagine? Well, now you can with DALL, an awesome AI tool that lets you create incredible images from text prompts. Just type in what you want to see, and DALL will generate it for you. You can create anything from realistic portraits to whimsical landscapes to abstract art. DALL is a great way to explore your creativity and see your imagination come to life. I used DALL to create a picture of a cat wearing a top hat and riding a unicycle. It turned out even better than I imagined. So if you're ready to unleash your inner artist, give DALL a try. AI doesn't have to be intimidating. Start with one or two of the tools we've discussed today. Learn together, explore curiosity, and build confidence. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? Book a free trial with JetLearn to help your child start their AI adventure today.